You may have noticed that if you're trying to share code with someone in Among Us, it may not work. Now, I had this problem on my server about 10 minutes ago. Here's what we tried, and here's what I think was the reason why. So, this person, we were using different servers. So, what I would say to do is to make sure you're on the same server. So we switched it from US and Europe to both in Europe, okay, and that seemed to work. When we put the code in, the exact code never worked because one of us was connecting to the US server and the other one was connecting to the Europe server. So make sure you're both on the same server and see if that helps. Also, the link to my Discord is in the description, and I'll probably put it up as a comment as well in case you want to follow that too. So again, make sure you both have the same server set, and if you want to know how to do that, I'll press leave game for you. When you're on this screen here, you will see it says North America on my one, and you can also change it. So if you go online and you can change it here, that's what I'm saying, you can change it here. So I want to change it from North America to Europe, for example, and make sure the person or people who you are playing with also have done that, and see if that helps.